Christmas is in less than 2 days, and you volunteered to bring the appetizer to your family's house. But did you remember to make it? Nope. But I can help. Watch this. This is my mom's cheeseball recipe, and it has been a family favorite for decades. It's easy, it's fast, it's festive, and it's gonna get you out of a jam. I have 1 brick of cream cheese in a bowl. I brought mine to room temperature. If you don't have time to do that, just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds and it'll soften right up. So to this, I'm adding in 1 container. This is 5 ounces of blue cheese crumbles. Gives amazing flavor. And then I'm also gonna add in 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar, and this is the fancy, finely shredded. It's Christmas after all, might as well go fancy. So it's about 2/3 of the bag. Lastly, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and I might go a little heavy on that because I love this savory flavor. So we'll just pour that in. And I'm using a metal spoon to mix this all together.
And how hard is this to mix?
For a weakling like myself, this is very difficult. But it shouldn't be too hard for anybody else out there. Alright, so you can see it finally came together. And then we're literally going to form this into a ball. So on the outside of the cheese ball is a mixture of crushed pecans, parsley, and paprika. So I'm going to use my little mini food processor here to put that together. I'm just using a 1/4 cup of flat leaf parsley. You can use curly too, whatever you can find at your store. And then to that I'm adding a 1/4 cup of pecans. These are already chopped, but they need to be smaller than this. So we'll just sprinkle those in. I have had this mini food processor since college. So I don't think you can get appliances like that anymore. Do you have any appliances that you think are gonna last for 20 years? I certainly don't. But this one's still going strong. So we're just gonna process this until it gets nice and finely ground up. All right, so to put this all together, I have some parchment paper on my counter. You could also use wax paper. I'm just gonna dump this cheese mixture right into the middle and use my hands to form it into a ball. Put the sleeves up there. Okay, easy peasy, just like that. My husband did just bring up a good point. We have made smoked cream cheese before, and that would taste amazing in this cheese ball. So I will link that video for you in my description box below. Next, we're gonna put this festive coating all over the top of the cheese ball, and there's really no rhyme or reason to it. You just dump it out and roll it around in the chopped up parsley and pecans, and then of course you can use your hands to help stick more on the outside. And I'm just keeping mine in a ball shape today, but you could try your hand at forming this into like a Christmas tree or something a little more seasonally appropriate. But I'm just gonna let the red of the parsley and the green of, no, I'm just gonna let the green of the parsley and the red of the paprika be the festive part for me here. The last thing we're gonna do, as my husband says, is make it rain with our paprika. So here we go. And then again, you can just kind of roll it around to get all the sides evenly coated. Here we go. So how long do you think that took me to make?
No more than 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's super fast. And you could eat it right away, but you can also let it sit. I would just throw this into a Tupperware, like something sealed. Keep it in the fridge, it lasts for days. You can serve this with crackers, and it is an amazing, easy, fast, festive appetizer. There you go. Thank you so much for joining me here today in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.